0 seconds. Section 1. In lane 8, personal best and season's best of 56.84 seconds. From LSU, Darren White. In lane 5, 54.43 seconds, personal and season's best from Adidas, Shiann Salmon. In lane 4, 53.39 seconds, personal and season's best, rank number 3 in the world this year, from Herd Mechanics. Let's make welcome Antoinette Knight. And then lane number 3, 53.74 seconds, personal best, 54.80 season's best, from Elite Performance. Let's make welcome the 2019 bronze medalist in this event at the World Championships in Doha, Rochelle Clayton. The lineup for section 1 of 2, the women's semifinals, 400-meter hurdles.
On your mark.
So when they go then, first time of asking. Good start in lane number 4, already there for Antoinette Knight. Shiann Salmon also looking strong as they turn to the back stretch now. It's Antoinette Knight with the advantage based on the stagger as they storm down the back stretch and go by the marathon tunnel at the moment. It's Knight with the advantage. Clayton on the inside with some work to do, so to White on the outside in lane number 8. Salmon is also in the mix, but Knight is leading the party at the moment with 150 meters to go and 4 flights to clear. It's Antoinette Knight in charge. Clayton trying to get back into the mix. It's Knight, Clayton and Salmon. Top 3 sure to advance. It's Knight leading them home at the moment. Clayton, Salmon is also there. It's Clayton, and then Salmon on the outside goes by both Knight and Clayton. Salmon runs strongly and gets the win in the end, ahead of Knight and Clayton, 54.08. The time there for Salmon, 54.10. That is a new personal best for Shiann Salmon. Knight, 54.55 in second. And Clayton in third, 54.67. White 58.16. We'll have to wait to see if her time is fast enough to get her through as one of the next 2 best non-automatic qualifiers.